Safety Act, a critical call to action with special focus on understanding India's path to safer roads where individuals choose to save lives. The stroke reality, a national emergency. 1.7 lakh deaths annually. India recorded 1.7 to 1.8 lakh road deaths in 2024. That's one person dying every 3 minutes on Indian roads. This represents a 600% higher mortality risk compared to developed nations. Road traffic injuries rank as the 13th leading of mortality in India overall. This crisis affects not just individuals, but entire families, communities, and national economies. Over 5 lakh people are injured annually, with many facing permanent disabilities, creating lifelong medical and social burdens. 66% young adults 18 to 34 years. Two-thirds of fatal accidents involve young adults in their prime working and productive years. 86% of road traffic injury fatalities are male. Often breadwinners of families, pedestrian cyclists, and two-wheeler level group. Children below 5 years and elderly citizens above 60 also face disproportionate risk. This drops society of young talent, students, professionals, and future leaders, devastating families and communities irreversibly. Motor Vehicle Act Amendment Act 2019. Landmark Enforcement Framework. Revolutionary change protecting India's road user. Stricter penalties of violation. Driving fines increased from 2,000 to 10,000 with license suspension. Vehicle defect now attract fine of 100 crore. Our speeding penalties now include imprisonment up to 1 month for repeat offenders. Motor Vehicles Accident Fund. Compulsory insurance cover established for all users in India. Ensuring no accident victim is left without financial support and medical coverage. Golden Hour Scheme. Cashless emergency medical treatment for after accident. This life-saving intervention significantly improves survival rates. Hit and run compensation double. Death compensation increased from 25,000 to 2 lakh. Injuries compensation increased from 12,500 to 50,000, ensure families justice and financial security. Good Samaritan Protection Act. First aider bystanders who assist accident victims are protected from criminal liability, encouraging community support during emergencies. The steps we need to take prevent from such disaster are: over speeding, 75.2% of all deaths. Over speeding is the single leading cause of fatal accident in India. Additionally, 30,000 two-wheeler riders die annually without helmets. Entirely preventable with proper safety complaints. Helmet use reduce head injury risk by 69% and save approximately 18,000 in average medical costs per accident. The Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 mandates strict helmet enforcement and substantial fines. Yet many continue this life-threatening negligence. 10,000 school children plus rural crisis. In 2024, 10,000 school children died in road accident, representing lost future and shattering dreams. 67.8% of road traffic injuries occur the rural areas, where enforcement is weakest. Roads are poorly maintained and awareness is minimal. Road communities lack proper street lighting, traffic signals, and emergency medical facilities. This vulnerable population bear the heaviest burden while remaining least equipped with safety resource or education. Wear protection always. Helmet saves life is not negotiable. Its life-saving statistics proves helmet reduce fatal head injuries by 69%. Every journey, every trip, every community demands helmet complaints regardless of distance of habit. Never compromise your safety. Zero tolerance for alcohol, zero tolerance for distraction. One deal impaired judgment. One message distraction cost lives. Text message take 5 seconds average at 60 km per hour. Your vehicles travel at 3 meter blind. Respect speed limits. Speed kills and magnifies other risks. Over speeding causes 75% of fatal accidents. Stopping distance increase exponentially with speed at 80 km per hour. You travel 56 meters before stopping. Be an active enforcer. Report violation to authorities. Teach family member road discipline. Speed awareness in your community. Social responsibility is collective responsibility. Your bike can prevent death in your crash. Support victims protectively. The Good Samaritan Law 2019 protect those who help accident victims. Now, first and basics, every minute counts in medical emergencies. Your intervention could mean the difference between life and disability. So I would like to conclude my speech with the theme of every life matters. One decision can change everything. Every 3 minutes, a family lost someone in Indian roads. Every choice you make, whether you wear helmet, whether you follow speed limits, whether to drive while distracted, affects real lives. Your decision cascade through families, friendships, and communities. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 provides comprehensive legal framework and enforcement tools, yet remain ineffective without individual commitment. Laws can penalize violation, but only your personal discipline prevent tragedies. Statistics become statistic only when they happen to strangers, but they devastated families when they strike loved ones. Defenders in road safety. Your action demonstrates that safety matters, that rules matter, that life matters. Choose life, choose responsibility, choose safe road today. Remember, no destination is worth a life, no message is worth a Christ, and no speed is worth a family grief. Thank you and have a wonderful day.